The Legend of Hercules. This film is directed by Rennie Harlin, who in the 90s directed Die Hard 2, Cliffhanger, Cutthroat Island. He did quite a lot of the big films back in the 90s, and recently he's just producing shit, really. So yeah, I prefer the other Hercules, and that's not much of an improvement. But this, to be fair, this was shot in native 3D, so the 3D is really, really good on this Blu Ray. But unfortunately, the actual film is just bad. Now, I did struggle trying to watch this until he started fighting in the arenas, and it just got a bit more interesting. Not much, just a bit, but I felt the film was a bit of a drag. Now, it tries to be 300, Gladiator, Braveheart. It's just bits of all them films plonked in it. Now, the thing I've got to say, fair play, when the film starts, it's very much like 300. You know, everything's been shot on a green screen, and it's got that sort of graphic novel sort of look to it. Now, where they fucked up basically on this film is that from that we went to the film looking like a B movie by oh, what's that company in America that makes shit films? It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember the fucking name of it. See, I can't get it. It might pop up in a minute. Asylum. Yeah, it starts to look like a an Asylum B movie, and it happens throughout the film, and then we go back to the graphic 300 look. Now, if they'd have just kept the movie looking like 300, I think it would have been a better film, and it would have benefited a lot more by just being that. But because it cuts the film up in going from the graphic novel look to the B movie, shit actors, shit sets, you know, it just fucks the film up for me, to be honest with you. Yeah, the performances, nah. Don't really know anyone in this movie. I know a couple of British actors, and I was wondering, what the fuck are these doing in this film? And they must have thought of the same thing when they've seen it. But it's a bit of an odd one, this movie, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay, 3D. That's why we're here for 3D. 3D, yeah, very good. That's got a lot of good 3D moments in it. A lot of pop-outs, a lot of depth. There's some nice depth in one scene where, you know, then in this room, there's a long table. One guy's on the end, Hercules is on the other end, and in the back end wall there's another person. I mean, the depth, because it was shot in native 3D, is absolutely fantastic, stunning. And all the arena fights, you know, they do the slow-mo shit, you know. And yeah, the 3D is really good. The film is just a pile of shit, to be honest with you. I probably won't watch it again, but if I wanted to show somebody what 3D works, I'd definitely put that on, because the 3D is top notch. So my thoughts on The Legend of Hercules. As a 3D movie, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. I think, because the 3D is native 3D, and it's well up there. It's really good. I'd say demo worthy 3D, definitely, but for the film, not very good at all. So there you go. That's my review on The Legend of Hercules.